Hi guys, so I'm back with my first post-baby video and I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. For those of you who were asking, baby and I are doing well. I ended up having to have surgery, so it was a rough recovery, but after 3 months I'm finally back up on my feet. So anyway, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today. And if you're into unboxing videos for homeschool supplies, then you'll want to subscribe because I do them at least twice a year. I do the back to school, you know, just getting back into the flow of things. And then I do usually a mid-year one. Sometimes I'll do mini ones, you know, randomly, but definitely twice a year. Okay, so we're going to start with the first one. It's not going to be as big as my last unboxing video that I did, but I've got 4 boxes. I'm going to start with the smallest one and then work my way up. Okay, so here we've got the first one. Just a small box with one thing in it. Okay, so this is I actually wasn't planning on getting this originally, but it's a grammar in a jar. I saw it like as I was checking out. I was like, okay, well, let me check it out. Okay, okay, so it talks about adjectives. Okay, well, it's grammar, so it does adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, and propositions. So I don't know if you can see this. Yeah. So I thought this would be cool. I don't know, I'm always looking for creative ways to kind of, you know, go over this stuff with the kids. Something to make it fun for them, right? Okay, so we've got that. Next box. Okay, so in this box we got, I picked up a lettering for beginners because my daughter started cursive writing this year and she was struggling kind of with the flow of it, so I thought, I don't know, maybe this will help. This lettering thing is a big trend right now, so it looks like this. So I thought maybe just doing like the swirls and stuff would kind of help her, you know, with the flow of cursive writing and stuff like that. So there's that. And I picked up this book. Did you guys read these when you were younger? I know I did. A Light in the Attic, Shel Silverstein. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Anyway, it's got some fun, quirky kind of poems in here. I remember liking them as a kid, so I thought I would introduce my kids to them. I don't know. Maybe they'll like them. In the next box. So I picked up some of these little post-it things. I thought maybe we could use them for something, I don't know, the reading. Got a nice little value pack that's got a lot of different colors and stuff in there. So I picked up that. More pencils. So in my last unboxing video I'd mentioned that my kids go through pencils like crazy. And yes, I have to buy like 2 boxes of pencils every year. I really like these ones. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. It's got a rubber band around it. Anyway, so yeah. Picked up some more of these because the 30 pack that I bought at the beginning of the year is gone. So we're on to the last box. This is the big one. Okay, somebody woke up, so she'll be joining us for the unboxing video. This is Kamiya. Okay, so I picked up another one of these in a jar things. This one is figurative language. So it talks about metaphors, simile, idiom. Yeah, so it's just like the grammar one that I just showed you. Again, wasn't planning on getting this, but saw it at checkout. I was like, okay. That happens to me a lot. It was get me at checkout. Okay, so I picked up this game called Monkey Fractions. I wanted to kind of help my daughter with fractions because she's really going over them this year. She's in 2nd grade, so, you know. Looked like it might be cool. Hopefully it helps. Okay. In this box, yeah, we had to get more Play-Doh because the one that I bought at the beginning of the year is all dried out because the kids left the tops off. Okay. So here's another book I picked up for my daughter. It's called The Care and Keeping of You. It's a body book for younger girls. I thought that, you know, it's time for her to kind of be reading up on, you know, stuff like this. I think that she would like it. Are you looking? Are you looking at the book? Yeah, so hopefully she gets some use out of that. Okay. So again, just stocking up on supplies. I decided to try the Twistables this time and see if they do a little bit better, because with the color pencils and the crayons and stuff, they're constantly breaking and things like that. So I thought maybe I would try these and see if they do better with the kids. And I don't know. We'll see. So I grabbed the same things, but in pencils. Ooh, these are kind of messy. There's like some broken and stuff in there. They're scented, so I'm smelling them. Uh-oh. Okay. Yep. So I thought those were cool. I like the Mr. Sketch markers, the ones that smell. Got 2 sets of those in the house. So again, another one of these poem books. Everything on It. Yep. Shel Silverstein book. I think I got like 4 of these books. I don't know. I really enjoyed them as a kid, so I thought that the kids would like them too. Another one, Falling Up. Yeah. Really cool. I'm excited to get into them with them. I think they'll enjoy them. Where the Sidewalk Ends. Yep. Remember that one. Okay, let's see. Oh, more markers. We go through this stuff like crazy. I just don't understand. Keep leaving the tops off and stuff like that. I got some printer ink. Just some black and color ink. Go through that pretty quickly too. I do a lot of like printables and stuff like that, so yeah, we go through it pretty quickly. I got some gel highlighters. I like the gel ones more. I can use them on more things and they're not as messy as the other ones are, so yeah, these are, you can use them in your Bible too. They don't, they won't like bleed through or anything like that. So yeah, picked up some of those. Thought those were cool. Okay, here's a little game. It's called the Triple Rhyming Game. My kids love to do like rhyming stuff, so I thought that this would be fun for them. It's called Rhyme Out. Isn't that cute? Okay. And I got some more Expo markers. I thought they sent me all black ones, but it's not. Got a multi-pack of colored ones because again, dried out. Have to figure this out. Okay, here's another game. This one is called Blurt. It's a word race game. Thought this would be kind of cool and fun to expand their vocabulary. This one is ages 7 to adult, so could do like a family thing. 3 to 12 players. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Oh, this came in a box. Let's see if I can open it. I got a workout video for the kids because I thought that would be really fun and cool. Kind of work out together as a family. Kind of get our fitness on. Let's see if I can. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So yep, just a fitness video. Fit Kids Club. Yeah, it looks like it's like a dancing workout video. My kids will love this. So yeah, I'm excited to check this out with them. My husband and I agreed that we will do it together with them, so that'll be fun. So that's it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, And like I said, you like these unboxing videos, then go ahead and thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.